People always say love is shown through words. Pero paano kung yung anak mo never pa nagsalita? Ashton is nonverbal. He's never said I love you, not even once. But still, siya pa rin ang nagturo sa akin ng totoong pagmamahal. Before I thought love had to be obvious. Yung may good job. I'm proud of you. Or mahal kita. But Ashton loves differently. Tahimik lang, pero ramdam mo. Sa simpleng tingin sa pagdikit niya sa akin, or kapag hinawakan niya yung kamay ko, no words needed pero solid yung meaning. Honestly, it was hard at first. Lagi akong naghihintay. Progress, milestones, signs of improvement. Pero over time, Ashton taught me to stop expecting and start accepting. Hindi kailangan ng big gestures para matawag na love. Sometimes, enough na yung tumabi siya sa'yo in silence. Or hawakan lang niya yung braso mo para maramdaman mong hindi ka nag-iisa. Dati, I just wanted him to catch up, to act like other kids, to speak, to play the same way. Pero I realized he doesn't need to fit in my world. Ako pala yung kailangang pumasok sa world niya. And when I did, ang dami kong natutunan. Yung hand flapping niya pag excited siya, yung maayos niyang pag-line up ng toys, yung tuwa niya sa simpleng bagay, doon ko nakita yung pure joy. Ashton still doesn't say I love you, pero every day I feel it. Sa ngiti niya habang tinitingnan ako, sa way na dumidikit siya sa akin kahit walang dahilan, sa paghawak niya ng kamay ko when he's nervous. That's real love. Tahimik pero totoo. At yun ang klase ng love na hindi ko pa naranasan dati. So if you're a parent like me still waiting for words, maybe the love is already there. Hindi nga lang sinasabi, but it's real. Minsan, yung pinakatahimik na bata, siya yung may pinakamatinding pagmamahal. And in Ashton's silence, I found the deepest kind of love.